How to make her regret losing you: the 14 steps of power. Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat there staring at your phone, wondering if she's even thinking about you? That crushing silence when she starts pulling away, when everything you shared suddenly feels like it's fading into thin air. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? To make her regret losing you, to make her chase you, to make her obsess over you, without saying a single desperate word. Because this isn't about begging, it's about power. It's about shifting the dynamic so completely that she's the one checking her phone, wondering where you went. Stay with me till the end, because I'm about to show you the exact mindset shift that turns heartbreak into control. Once you understand this, you'll never chase again. This isn't get your ex back. This is about becoming the man she can't walk away from. Whether it's a breakup or she's just losing interest, these 14 steps will rewire her attraction and rebuild your power. So grab your coffee, sit back, lock in. Let's begin. Step 1. Accept the breakup like a man. Your first instinct is to fix it, to call, to explain, to apologize. But that's exactly what kills attraction. You need to do the opposite. Accept it. Don't fight. Don't beg. Don't chase. Why? Because acceptance is strength. It shows her you don't need her to breathe, and nothing triggers curiosity more than calm silence. When she sees you not fighting for her, her mind starts spinning. Did he stop caring? Is he seeing someone? That's the first seed of doubt. And doubt is powerful. Calm acceptance isn't weakness, it's control. And in control, you always win. Step 2. Go silent. Master eye contact. Silence is power, and when used right, it drives her insane. No contact isn't punishment. It's space. Space for her to miss you, because no one can miss what's always there. Let her sit in the reality of losing you. Let her remember the good times, the laughter, the touch. Let the memories haunt her. She'll wonder, why isn't he calling? That wonder becomes obsession. No contact is your battlefield. Win here, and you win the war. Step 3. Level up. Work on yourself. While she's wondering, you're evolving. Don't sit around sulking. Rise. Hit the gym. Stack your money. Chase your purpose. Become the man she dreams about but can't reach anymore. Post your progress. Not for her, for you. Let her see the glow up from a distance. Success is magnetic, and nothing hurts more than watching the man she left become the man every woman wants. Step 4. Trigger her emotional memories. Women don't fall for logic, they fall for feeling. Use subtle reminders. A quote, a song, a place that meant something. Not direct, strategic. You're not reaching out, you're reminding her. And that reminder creates a cocktail of nostalgia, regret, and curiosity. Now, she's missing you without even knowing why. Step 5. Respond with strength. If she reaches out, stay calm. No excitement, no emotional fireworks. Be short, be kind, be in control. She says, hey, just checking in. You reply, I'm good. Hope you're well too. That's it. You just flipped the script. Because now she's wondering why you're so calm, why you're not chasing, and that doubt eats at her. Step 6. Become a mystery. Curiosity is your new weapon. She thought she knew you, your moves, your reactions, your emotions. Now, break the pattern. Be unpredictable. Be silent when she expects noise. Be calm when she expects chaos. Mystery makes a man dangerous. Step 7. Reignite your purpose. A man with purpose is magnetic. Women are not drawn to men who orbit them. They crave men who lead, who build, who create. Stop making her your world. Build your world. Let her see the fire in your mission. Purpose is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Step 8. Leverage social proof. Here's reality: women compete. When she sees other women noticing you, her mind races. Did I misjudge him? Did I lose something rare? That's how jealousy ignites. That's how regret is born. Step 9. Master patience. Don't rush results. Real power takes time. Patience shows control. It shows you're not desperate. It makes her respect you again. You're not waiting, you're evolving. Step 10. Use nostalgia. People forget words, but they never forget how you made them feel. Nostalgia is emotional gravity. A song, a scent, a photo. It all hits when she least expects it. That's when the door reopens. Step 11. Become the man she couldn't handle before. Let's be honest, maybe she left because you weren't him yet. Too needy, too soft, too predictable. Now, you've changed. You're grounded, focused, stoic. And when she realizes she can't access this new version of you, that's when the regret truly burns. Step 12. Reappear casually, on your terms. After weeks of silence, reappear. Not to chase, but to show your evolution. Cool, calm, detached. That's how attraction reignites. Step 13. Set boundaries. If she comes back, remember this. You're the prize now. You say, "I'm open to talk, but I'm not interested in repeating the past." That line hits like a bullet, because now she realizes you don't need her anymore. You choose her if she's worthy. "14 steps that turn heartbreak into power, loss into leverage, and pain into purpose." By the time she comes back, you'll have options. And the question won't be, will she return? It'll be, do I still want her? Remember, brother, a woman may regret losing you, but your true evolution starts when you stop needing her approval. You don't chase, you attract, you build, you rise. That's how men are forged. Subscribe to Stoic Attraction for more masculine psychology, stoicism, and real relationship power, because it's time to stop reacting and start leading.